so today we're going to do what's calling compare numbers. And I know you guys did this with one-digit numbers in first grade. And I'm pretty sure you did it with two-digit numbers in first grade. So you guys might recognize this. We did some of this in our review. Less than and greater than. So I always say the alligator's hungry, so he's going to eat the bigger number. So if he's eating the number over here, then we say less than, because the smaller number is on this side. 2 is less than 7. If the bigger number is on this side, then the bigger number is first. We say greater than. 8 is greater than 3. Now, if they're the exact same number, we don't say greater than or less than. We say equal to. 5 is equal to 5. We won't say 5 equal 5. We say 5 is equal to 5. So we're going to have these up on our math wall over there when I take your mathematicians down. These are going to be up on our math walls to help you remember all year long how to say greater than or less than. So you know if the alligator is going this way and the small number is over here, it's less than. If the alligator is going eating the first number, then it's greater than. Okay? So we're going to work on that. Get out your math book, your Go Math, and turn to page 63. Okay, we should have our books open now to 63. All right, we're going to draw quick pictures like you did yesterday with our waffle or our hamburgers and our french fries and our tater tots. Okay, we did 82. So I want you to draw 82 up here. These are our butterflies. Okay, so I'm going to draw 82. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. There were 82 butterflies. And over here I'm going to do birds.
Do you have to write butterflies?
Yeah, it might be helpful to do it so you remember. Butterflies, 82. I'll scoot them in. And then birds, there were 86. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 82 and 86. 82 butterflies and 86 birds were at the zoo.
Is that L or I?
Okay, now they both have the same tens, right?
Wait, I'm not done.
You'll catch up, sweetie. And then, do they have the same ones? No. So we have to look at the ones to see how they're different. Because they have the same eggs. The tens do not tell me which one's bigger and which one's smaller, or which one's greater or which one's less. So which one are there more of? Butterflies or birds? Birds, because what? 6 is bigger than 2, right?
Yes.
So birds, there's more birds. We're at the zoo. Okay, now we're going to do water fountains. We'll just put water so we don't have to write the whole big word. Water and benches at the park. Water fountains and benches. So there are 47 water fountains. So I'm going to draw 47. 47. Oh, sorry. Move it up. 47 water fountains. And then there are 92 benches. So draw 92 for benches. 92, that's big. It's almost 100. That's a C there. That looks like a D. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. I'm here. I can't erase because it's a pencil. I'll rewrite it. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Okay, now we look at the hundreds first. Okay? 4 and 9. Are those the same?
No.
No. So we don't even need to look at the ones. We just need to look at the hundreds. And I can already tell which one is fewer. Remember, fewer is the smaller number. Kinsler, turn the page back. We are not done. So which of these numbers is the fewest? The smallest? The water fountains, because 4 is smaller or 4 is fewer than 9. So there are fewer. We got to write the word now. Water fountains. It's a long word. Fewer water fountains. All right, we're moving on. All right, we're going to compare 483 and 570. And one thing I like to do when I'm comparing numbers is put one on top of the other. So then I can look at the first number. Now when we add numbers together, I say start on the ones. But when you're comparing numbers, we start on the other side. We look at the biggest number first, the ones that's worth the most. And our hundreds are worth more than tens, and our tens are worth more than the ones. Okay? So we start at the hundreds. 4 and 5. Okay? Which one's bigger? 4 or 5? 5. So the alligator is going to eat the number that has the 5 in the hundreds place. So there's the one with the 5 in the number hundreds place, so we're going to make the alligator eat that one. Okay, so this says 483. Is that less than or greater than? Less than 570. Because remember, less than, the smaller numbers first. Let's go to the next one. So we're going to start with the hundreds. Always start with the bigger number. If it's a 2-digit number, I start with the tens. A 3-digit number, I start with the hundreds. Look, 3 and 3. Can I tell yet? No, because 3 is the same. And I don't put equal to because they're not equal. Even though the hundreds are equal, I still have other numbers to look at. If all 3 numbers were the same, then it's equal.
It would be 300.
Okay, then I move on to the tens. 5 and 4. Which one's bigger? 5. So I look down here. Okay, here's my 5 tens. It's bigger than the 4 tens. So 352 is greater than 346.
I knew it. It shows you up there 5 tens.
Okay, let's look at number 1. Now, if it makes it easier for you, you don't have to do this, but you could do this. You can draw a line to help you separate your hundreds, tens, and ones. If you don't need to do that, that's okay. You choose if it helps you or not. Helps you line them up. So what 2 numbers am I going to look at first? Cooper?
7 and 3.
No. I got to look at the hundreds first, all the way to this side first. So what 2 numbers, Lily?
2 and 1.
Right, we look at the hundreds. So 2 and 1. Are they the same? No. Which one's bigger, Kinsler?
2.
The 2. So I'm going to do the 2. There it is, the 200. So that one's bigger than the 1. So the alligator is going to eat the 200. 39. But I got to decide what words I'm going to put here. So 239, does this mean greater than or less than? Greater. Look, you can even look up here. It'll tell you. We got cheat right here. This one means greater than. This one means less than. This one means equal to. So here's mine, and it looks like this. So I'm going to write is greater than. 239 is greater than. Said if it helps you, you can draw the line so you can see where the hundreds, tens, and ones are. And we start with the hundreds. So we're looking at the 4 and the 4. Can we tell by the hundreds? No. Let's look now at the tens. 3 and 3. Can I tell by the tens? No. 5 and 7. Can I tell by those? Yes. So which of the ones is the biggest? The 5 or the 7? The 7. So my 7, let's underline the 7 ones right there. The alligator is going to eat the bigger ones. So 435 is less than. And I know it's less than because look at my symbol. And right here it says that means is less than. Is less than. Because the smaller number is first. Whenever the smaller number is first, we say less than. Because it's smaller than. Less than means the same as smaller than. Whenever the bigger number is first, and the alligator is eating the first number, it's the bigger number. And the same is greater than means the same as bigger. Okay, I want you to do 3 and 4 by yourself. All right, let's check our work. So on number 3, we look at the hundreds first every time. Always look at the hundreds or the tens if it's a 2-digit number. 7 and 6, is that the same? No, 7 is bigger. So the one that has the 7 in the hundred spot is bigger. I'm pointing to the first number, or I'm eating the first number. So that means is greater than. So 764 is greater than. Okay, then I'm looking at the next one. Okay? 5 and 5. Can I tell by the hundreds? No, because they're both 5s. So now I look at the tens. 1 and 7. Which 10 is bigger? 7. So I'm going to underline the one that has a 7 in the 10 spot. The alligator is going to eat that one. So now my smaller number is in front because the alligator didn't want to eat it. So when the smaller number is in front, we say is less than. Is less than. Okay. Go to the next one. Do 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do those 4. Look at yours again, even though I checked all of yours. So this one, we looked at the 3 and the 5. The 5 was bigger, so the alligator eats the 500s. This symbol means is less than. On this one, we looked at the 8 and the 8. The hundreds, same. Tens, 2, 2, same. Ones, 1, 1, same. So this one is equal to. That's the same number. 822 is equal to 821. Or 821 is equal to 821. This one, look at the hundreds. 5 and 4. Well, they're different. 5 is bigger. So I'm going to have the alligator eat the 500s. This symbol means is greater than. And then this one, some of us were getting confused because they have the same numbers, the same digits. So some of you are saying equal to, but they're not equal because they're 2 different numbers. The hundreds is the same, but the 3 and the 4 here in the tens is not the same. So I look at 3 tens and 4 tens. Well, 4 tens is bigger than 3 tens. So that means that 934 is less than 943. Okay, so now we're going to do the next the rest of this, when everyone gets back from the restroom,